premium smartphone accessories from Olixar. They sent me this for me to take a look at and review. Let's dive in right now. Let's open this up and let's see what we get. 3-in-1 camera clip lens, Olixar X Ranger smartphone utility backpack, Olixar X Ranger smartphone case. Nice. So it looks like it's a case with some tools on the inside of it. Next, same thing, maybe for a different phone. This looks like an iPhone 7 or 8. iPhone 8, cool. So this one must be for iPhone 8 also. Okay, we'll check those out. This is probably for an iPhone 10, I'm assuming. Yes, iPhone X, iPhone 10, right? And what's in here? Let's check this one out. Let's check it out. It's a universal stand for your tablet or your phone if you want. Made out of metal here, aluminum. You have your rubber feet so it doesn't slide around on the table. Hinges very high quality here. And this part right here is made out of like a rubberized material, so it's not going to scratch your device. Here's my tablet. This is my Nexus 9. So you put it on and there you go. You can orient this pretty much however you want. Nothing too extreme though, or it might tip over, but so you can have it like this, a little bit higher off the ground or off the table. Have it like this, like really low, like that if you want. If you need a lower angle for your device, put your tablet on, you can use it like that. This is the universal tablet stand from Olixar. On to the next item. We have the Olixar X Ranger smartphone utility backpack. 26 in 1, so it looks like there's 26 different things that you can do with this. Cut into this. Open it up. The left side, we have some instructions here on how to use this tool, how to apply the pouch, etc. I'm just going to try to figure this out on the fly. Okay, we have some wipes here, some dust removal stickers. This is the tool itself. You're going with the knife. Here you go. So you have all kinds of different tools here. Read the instructions. This is what you can do with it. You have a ruler, a screwdriver, a cell phone stand. Interesting. I wonder how that works. Bottle opener, key ring hole, cable peeler. You got a saw blade, knife blade, hex wrench, all of that. So pause the video and read that for yourself. This is the actual tool. Feels very high quality, made out of metal. Now be careful, you have sharp edges here, so just be careful with it. Same thing on this side. Very nice little tool here from Olixar. Something on the go, feels high quality, very cool. What's in this little guy? So this is the pouch for the tool. So you can place your tool in here. Tool slides right in, and that's how you store the tool. And the pouch will stick onto your device. Here are the instructions on how to do that. Wipe the device down, peel the film layer on the pouch, and stick the pouch on the device. Pretty self-explanatory stuff. So on the back here we have some 3M tape. This is the phone. Peel this off, stick it on like this, basically, and then your tool will slide right in, and that's how you carry it. If your phone has wireless charging and you have your tool inside, wireless charging may not work since this is metal right here, so keep that in mind. The pouch itself is very high quality, feels like a leather-like material, feels good to the touch, and also you have this little strap here. So if you have it on the phone like this, and you can hold your phone like this, see that? Very cool. On to the next item. The Olixar X Ranger case for, I believe this is for the iPhone 10. We have the same tool as previously. Here it is. Warranty information, day one stock info, and this is the item itself. Brushed aluminum look back here, and I believe this area right here a little bit flexible. This is TPU. You have a pattern on the inside. This pops open, and it's a kickstand for your phone. Go ahead and put my 10 inside. See what it looks like. I do have the Olixar tempered glass on here, so it works with the Olixar tempered glass. Here's the kickstand, works just like that, pretty cool. The tool will go inside the case when you open the kickstand like this, and the tool slides right in like that. And then the kickstand will just snap into place. Very inconspicuous, so you're not gonna think that this case will have a tool like that on the inside, but it does. So this is how it looks like on the device. I do have a red carbon fiber skin on the device. Got some Olixar branding on the bottom. Brushed aluminum look. Feels good in the hand. Let's check the front lip. You have a little bit of a lip there, but I do have a tempered glass on this device. Without a tempered glass, the lip might be a little bit higher. Let's check out the buttons. Ooh, nice and clicky on the buttons. The volume rocker. Nice and clicky. I just took a screenshot there by accident. Very nice. Pretty cool case. I like the functionality it is where you pop this open and you got this badass tool if you need it. Very nice. All right, so I have another X Ranger here. This one looks like for the iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 8. Same phone, pretty much. Let's check this one out. All right, same thing on this one. Got the tool in here. Day one stock. And this is the case. Ooh, look at this color right here. Like a navy, or kind of like a sea blue type of color. What's the color on this guy? Marine blue. Very nice. I had to grab my 8. Let's put the phone in and see what this looks like. Phone snaps right in. On the back, you can see the gold colorway of this phone peeking through. Very nice combination here. The buttons should work like on the other one. Yeah, very clicky here. Not a problem. Feels good to the hand. Access to the alert slider right here. Not a problem. Like previously, here's a kickstand. Phone stands up. Your tool, slide right in. You have a little tool inside your phone. Next case, I think it's the same one. X Ranger. We'll just open this one real quick. I think this one's for the 8 Plus. Again, day one stock, right? Here's your tool. I'm not gonna open this one since I already have one open. And yeah, this is for the 8 Plus. All right, since we're here, just do this nice and fast. Case snaps on. The buttons feel really good, right? No problems there. Volume rocker, same thing. Alert slider, check that out. This looks pretty nice. The black and then the blue, this looks nice. For the 8 Plus, is it the same size tool? So it's not a bigger one since it's a bigger phone, right? No, it's the same one. It would have been cool if this was a bigger one of this. Since it's the bigger phone, that would have been nice. That would have been kind of cool. Let's see, on the big phone, this thing just slides right in. Boom. There you go. So hit me up in the comments. I'll link to everything in the description down below. And I gotta say, I do like this tool right here. This is pretty nifty. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace out.